think I...
She looks happy.
Yeah.
So we are here at the range now. This is the Sportsman's Range on JBLM. It's not very crowded this morning, so pretty cool. We're up there. I hung the targets on 8, so let's go up there and let the kids shoot a little bit. All right, see you in a bit. Okay, family's walking up to point number 8. We're gonna wait till it goes cold again, the range, and then start shooting once it goes hot.
I now have some indication between here and there. Yeah. Oh, that's good. And the phone if I...
Now we're gonna see if my middle child can shoot. My wife just wanted me to shoot the weapon first. Let's get up here and see how my daughter does.
This is scary.
Send it. Don't turn it.
Is it
What's wrong? It's not firing? Huh?
No.
It's not shooting? You pull the trigger?
Wait.
Okay, see if that works now. Send it. Good job.
Where did that go?
I don't know where it went. Try again. It's on the left. There we go. So my wife's gonna shoot her 38. Try to. She hasn't fired in like 3 years. Cindy! Here comes the bad guy. He's coming.
Did I even aim it?
Yeah, just shoot. I'm watching. Yeah, she's hitting the target.
Yeah.
Somewhere on the target. That was a left femoral artery shot. That one was the shot off the right earplug. Shoot at the other target. Okay, you have 1 round left. Let's see how she's concentrating.
I don't think I...
She looks happy.
Yeah.
Okay, remember how to do it? Pick it up, hold your hand underneath it at the bottom. Take your time and shoot. Oh, shoot at the left target then. Yeah, it may not work, but let's try it. One time, send it. Pull the trigger back. Good job. Oh, that was a bullseye, right dead to center. You want to try to pull the trigger one more time? Now you got to pull it back further. Did the round come out? I didn't notice. Did you notice? Here, hold this for a second. Let me see. You can point it down at the camera. See, we're going to eject it. And there's a spent round. It's not ejecting it. Not enough grain in there, I believe. Comment in the comment section below if I'm wrong.
1 minute left this session.
Here you go. One more shot. Let me get a shot of you sideways. Look at that eagle eye. Okay, go ahead. Send it. Boom! You got him. You've saved the whole family. Give me a thumbs up. That fun? Yeah, she wanted to bring her BB gun, but after seeing that another kid had BB guns, she just changed her mind. That's called gun chaining. All right, we'll be back. And yank it up hard as you can. Oh, it's hard, isn't it?
Yeah, I can't do it.
Okay, hold this. There. I'm gonna put this like this, that way I can cock it for you.
I like it doing it there.
Here we go. See if you can shoot the target. Got it.
I don't know.
Here we go. Do a couple more shots. Shoot it. Okay. She wants to shoot with it on her shoulder like that because it's too long for her. It's just a BB gun, so. Okay, final shot. Oops, fell over there. Okay, so put it down. We're going to put it on safe. Step back to the rear. Now we're going to get the gun loaded up. Here. My 14-year-old wants to try a 38. So I told her to shoot it one time maybe. Or 5 if she feels comfortable with it. Okay. Here we go. Move the Glock back. Just hold and squeeze. You can shoot at either target. You either want to try it or don't. Don't be silly. It's not a. You don't play games at the range. Hold it up. Support your hand. And you have to pull it all the way back.
I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. Is it gonna knock me in the head?
No, it won't knock you in the head. I hope. Go ahead.
I'm very scared.
Squeeze. Pull it. There you go. How did that feel? There's 4 more shots if you want to continue shooting. And you can shoot them fast as you want. Bang, bang, bang. My hand hurts a little bit. I'm scared to get too close in front. Go ahead. Let's look at her target. Go. Send it. Good shot. Okay, good one. That's a good one.
Okay.
I wish I had zoom on here, but that was a good shot, that one. Well, you just high and right of the black circle, or you got one more shot, right?
I think.
I think you do. Try one more time. Okay. Here you go then. Film, and I'll shoot the Glock. So I'm just gonna. I just have 4 rounds right here. That's all I'm gonna shoot. Did you want to shoot this at all?
Those bullets are much bigger.
And you don't want to shoot this?
Nope.
Actually, I think this is softer than this, just the way the weapon's built, but I'll let you know.
I'll do that.
All right. You can walk that way now. I think her hand's numb from shooting the 38. What? What?
No, you can't roll yet.
No, you can't do it. You're not even supposed to do it with someone else's.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's not yours to roll.
negative. Ghost Rider.
So you guys done? You want to go do some other stuff today?
Yes.
We don't have a lot of rounds. Mom don't want to shoot no more. She wanted to try it, and now her hands feels numb.
Hey, that was
And-
actually pretty good.
We couldn't find the key to her 22 rifle, so we're gonna wrap it up and do some, make it short here today. We need to get more ammo. We just wanted to kind of brush the dust off, and it's obvious the kids are super dusty, me as well. So that's it for now. We'll be signing out. Thanks so much for joining us.